another week is in the books, and so let's take a look at some opportunities that the Golden Road found for us using the different methods. So the first one, let's look at gold versus US dollars, and on the 11th of January, the SOP would have indicated a buy signal, and so from here we could purchase and then ultimately sell around here. So that would be around 1695, 1700 points, let's say. And yes, I want to thank Simplified Vodka for his comments on my last video. Yes, 1700 points is 170 pips. So thanks again, appreciate that, my friend. So let's add these up on the week. So 1700, let's just go with that. And then the next opportunity let's look at Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, and the SOP provided an opportunity right here. So let's see, where would that go? Around, let's say 500 points on that one. So we'll just add 500 to the total on the week. Then Great British Pound, US dollars. There were a couple of opportunities here that were identified. So let's say right here, the first one, and we'd sell. Now you could sell on the red arrow. You could wait for the yellow dot, or you could wait, as the SOP suggests, down here. So in this range, we're looking at 660 to 500. So let's just say 600. Let's just say somewhere around 600. You could have purchased here and gotten 600 points. So with this movement, there was two other points where it met the SOP. So we could have purchased, let's say, the top of the candle again around 500. Let's say 450. 450. Oops. Plus 450. And then another time within the same run, we could have done another, purchased again, taken another position, let's say another 400. Alright, plus 400. Okay, then let's move on to US dollar, Japanese yen, around the 9th of the month of the week, 9th day, or January 9th this week. Looks like the SOP was here. It was method 2, this would be method 2, and again, if we buy at the bottom or sell at the bottom of the candle, and then we exit the position, here you're looking around 400. You might have exited here, and you might have exited down here if you were lucky. But let's say you exited around 500. Let's say that's fair. Great British Pounds, Japanese Yen. So we met the method 2 SOP right here, and so purchasing or buying, in this case buying at the top of the candle, and then likely we would have sold somewhere around here. So if you would have sold right at the very bottom, you'd be looking around 1500. If you'd waited, potentially 2200, but let's just say you sold at 15. So this one would have meant 1500 points. And then the second SOP, again, indicator was right here, and from this point we'd be looking around, say, 1300 points. And then the final one that I found, the sixth one I found, was during Europe and Japan, so the euro and the yen on the 9th again. This would be closed out. This is an M30. This was an M30 chart. This would have closed out, and was 2 that met the SOP. The first method SOP, or the SOP, first method, second method. And so purchase here likely would have sold around here, so that's around 1800. So plus 100 points, and then the second indicator was here, and that would have been up to 1200, let's say 1200 points. Tell me if I'm being too generous. All right, so this week there was 9,999 points, which is, divide that by 10, as indicated again by our vodka drinking friend, 995 pips. Excellent week. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, please write them below.